Hello, my name is Brian Mikulich, and this is my EET402 Capstone project for ECPI University, Dr. Ali Setadunya. I selected my project on the simple home alarm system. Here's my program. I have assembled properly, downloaded, and is currently in the run mode. This is the Dragon 12 microcontrol board. The portions of the microcontrol board I will be using are the LCD screen, the LED lights PB0, PB1, and PB2, and the dip switches PH0, PH1, and PH2. Common home alarm systems use magnetic reed switches or other type of contacts to show doors and windows opening and closing, and also disarming the system. I will be using dip switches PH0 to arm and disarm the system, PH1 to simulate the window reed switches, and PH2 to simulate the door reed switches. To arm the system, you simply position PH0 to on. You'll see the LED light on the control panel will illuminate red, showing that the alarm is set, and also the LCD display reads armed. To disarm the system, you'll position the switch to off, the LED light will go off, and the system will show disarmed. Now I wanted to be able to identify whether there was a door or window open in the house, whether the system was armed or disarmed. However, if the system is disarmed, you don't want it to activate your alarm. So I will show you. I will now open up the window using PH1. I get a red indication showing that the window is open. However, because the system is in the disarmed state, it does not activate the alarm. Next, I will position PH2 to on, which simulates the doors. I get my LED identifying there's a door open. Because the system is disarmed, there is no activation. So now we will arm the system and exit the home. One of the problems in programming that I ran into was if you were to arm the system and exit using the door, you would activate the alarm. So what I had to do is program in a 10-second timer to allow you to safely and properly exit the home without activating the system. Same as with coming home. You want time to open the door, come into the house, and properly disarm the system before the alarm goes off. So that we will demonstrate. So you arm the system, you open the door, you close the door. The system is now armed and it did not activate. You come home later, you open the door again, you close it, you walk to your alarm system, and then you can properly disarm it. System disarmed. That would be your normal day-to-day operations of the alarm system. So now I'll show how to activate the alarm by an intruder. So you set your alarm, you exit your home, you close the door behind you. You're away from your home, and an intruder breaks in. He goes through the window. This will simulate a window being open, and you can see the alarm is activated, and it is by the window. And the only way to remove the activation is to disarm the system. System shows disarmed. The window still shows open, but because you disarmed the system. Next, we will arm the system. We'll exit the house. We'll close the door behind us. Timer has gone away. So now an intruder breaks in the home. Now remember, they'll have a few seconds before the alarm activates for them to properly put in the code to disable. However, they left the door open. Now the alarm is activated. They try to close the door behind them, trying to figure out how not to set off the alarm, but it has already been activated. So it'll have to disarm the system. I hope you enjoyed. This concludes my presentation.